So this was a small initiative from my side to introduce a little bit about the Arunachal traditional cuisine and tell you the food habits of Arunachal people here in Arunachal Pradesh. So without wasting just time, let me just tell you कि आज का स्पेशल क्या था. ये पूरा होममेड बना हुआ है थैंक्स टू माय सिस्टर जिन्होंने पूरा खाना कुक करके दिया मुझे. So we have made chicken liver with bamboo shoot. Now bamboo shoot is something which is an integral part of Arunachal traditional cuisine. Without wasting time, I am so excited. This is how it looks. This is the fried one and this is the boiled one. I'm gonna try the fried one. It's so good. In Arunachal Pradesh to tell you, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा मसालों का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता है. अगर सब्ज़ी में boiled food is something that we people love a lot, and वहाँ पे अगर मिर्च, नमक and a little bit of seasoning just like garlic and ginger, and then yeah, we people are good to have a wonderful lunch. And then I hope कि आप सबको ये छोटा सा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. Let me know in the comment section if you want to watch such more videos. Then see you next time. I'll come up with next video. Till then, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Chalo, bye. I'm gonna enjoy this.